Hi, in this short video, we'll explain how to make a Facebook event recurring and also how to add a co-host to a Facebook event. So I'm here on the eTownz page as a demo. I'm clicking on the add event button, and we can add a name, location, description, and so forth. But to make it recurring, and the frequency, and typically community event might run every week. Okay, and from there we can actually pick the days we want to run every week. We can give the start time and end time, and obviously when we're complete we can set publish. Okay, now we can set as many of these as we want also. And to add a co-host, we simply type in the name of the co-host we want to add, click on. Now the page owner will get a notification in the top right hand corner to say that they've been invited to co-host. So it's pending until that person says give it a go. And then finally we just press the publish button. We have added co-hosts and we have set up the frequency. Thank you.